So look, the Electricity Subsector Coordinating Council exists every day, as I said. Every day, folks like Adrian, Sam, myself, Steve, a couple of hundred people across the country are working on meaningful dialogues and projects and initiatives that are all aimed at a global mission of making our North American energy grid more resilient and more secure. Now, on Gray Sky Days, and we had a boatload of them in 2020, and on Black Sky Days, we swing into operation mode. And at that point, our CEOs from 32 electric companies, public power utilities, co-ops, trade associations, Canada, NERC, those men and women come together to form an official voice on what I like to think of as one side of the bridge. We are a bridge between industry and government. And more times than I can count this year, thanks to the pandemic, solar winds, wildfires, a historic storm season, the ESCC CEOs and the most senior levels of DOE and DHS and other parts of our government that are focused on national security were together, quickly sharing information and quickly deploying resources where they were needed most.